Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Crypto Calm wallet. First, download the Crypto Calm app from your device's app store. Next, you'll need to complete the identity verification process, which typically involves providing some personal information and a photo ID. Finally, enhance your account security by enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Once your account is set up, you'll want to fund your wallet. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars, directly using a bank transfer or by linking a debit card. Alternatively, if you already own cryptocurrencies, you can transfer them from another external wallet into your Crypto Calm wallet. Linking your bank account makes future deposits much smoother. With funds in your wallet, you're ready to trade. You can easily buy over 250 different cryptocurrencies instantly using your deposited fiat. Selling crypto is just as simple, allowing you to convert your digital assets back into fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies. The app also lets you swap one crypto for another directly, streamlining your portfolio management. Sending and receiving cryptocurrencies is a core function. To send, select the crypto, enter the recipient's wallet address, and confirm the transaction. To receive, simply share your unique wallet address for the specific cryptocurrency with the sender. Always double-check the recipient's address carefully before confirming any send transaction to ensure your funds go to the correct destination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.